equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson V10 model. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner and removing the dustbin. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the motor. Now, you will see the motor assembly. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness attached to the motor. It's important to handle this step with care to avoid damaging any wires. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the wiring harness disconnected, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws holding the motor down. Once these are removed, you can lift the motor out of the housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor with a soft brush or cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws using the Torx screwdriver to secure the motor in place. After that, reconnect the wiring harness, making sure it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to test the motor briefly. Plug in the vacuum and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can have peace of mind knowing what to expect. Once you've confirmed the motor is working, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the Phillips screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reattach the dustbin, and your Dyson V10 should be ready to go. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With these steps, you can successfully replace the motor in your Dyson V10 and extend its life. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.